Hi everyone and welcome back to page J Arise. I am Sotheany and today we are going to learn 4 words from lesson 22. Are you ready? Let's get started. So the first word is New Year's Day. New Year's Day we can spell Neweyear''S''D''A''Y. New Year's Day. For example, me and my friend usually go to Siem Reap in New Year's Day. New Year's Day. And the second word is resolution. Resolution we can spell RESOLUTION. Resolution. For example, we do the resolution to make us try harder. Resolution. And the third word is Mother's Day. Mother's Day. Mother's Day we can spell MOTHER''S''D''A''Y. Mother's Day. For example, my sister loves to buy a little gift for my mom on Mother's Day. Mother's Day. And the last word is Father's Day. Father's Day. Father's Day we can spell FATHER''S''D''A''Y. Father's Day. For example, we celebrate Father's Day every year at the church. Father's Day. Okay, good job everyone. Now we will repeat it again from the first word. The first word is New Year's Day. New Year's Day. The second word, resolution. Resolution. The third word, Mother's Day. Mother's Day. And the last word is Father's Day. Father's Day. Thank you so much everyone for your time and attention. And please don't forget to comment all your sentences down below. We will help you check. And if you want to watch a full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, please don't forget to click the link that we drop it for you. See you in the next video. Bye bye. God bless you.